Today, we're taking a look at a great free extension for Adobe Premiere Pro called Portal, created by the developers at Knights of the Editing Table. Portal lets you open any folder from your system instantly. From Premiere Pro, if you constantly jump between asset folders, this extension can save you a lot of time. When you install Portal, it starts completely empty. The panel is dockable, so you can place it anywhere in your Premiere layout. To add a folder, just drag the folder you want from your system and drop it into the Portal panel. When you right-click any folder inside Portal, you get several options like Rename, Change Color, and Delete. This makes organizing your asset folders even easier. Portal also has a responsive design. Depending on where the panel is placed, the folders will automatically align, either side by side or stacked vertically, just like you see here. Once your folders are added, just click on one and it opens instantly in your File Explorer, super fast, super simple. If you want to speed up your editing workflow, definitely try Portal. And the best part, Portal works the same way across other Adobe apps like After Effects, Audition, Photoshop, and even Media Encoder, so you can streamline your workflow no matter which Adobe tool you're in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips.